Greetings from On the Move with Dave B's Kitchen. Come along with us for our epic road trip to Texas. Our first stop is in Northeast PA at Lakeview Wine Cellars. Well, here we come, Texas, ready or not. We're riding in our RV, wherever we want to be, because we're free in our RV, yeah! Well, we have arrived at our first destination, Northeast PA, and we are making our way to our host for the evening at Lakeview Wine Cellars. In our daily travels, we rarely encounter a train in this day and age, but as we made our way up to our host, we encountered this railroad crossing and a train coming across. We took a minute to enjoy the beautiful vineyards that surrounded us as we watched the train make its way across the tracks. As we arrived at our host for the evening, we were greeted with a beautiful view of their vineyards on their property, as well as their lovely wine tasting building, and when we got to our spot, a view of Lake Erie. parking our RV and getting settled for the evening, our hosts graciously invited us to walk through their vineyards. The sun was still shining and the plants were full of grapes. It smelled as if we were walking through a jar of Grandma's best grape jelly. As you can see, the vineyards were beautiful and the grapes were heavy on the vines, and we thoroughly enjoyed walking through the vineyards, enjoying the sights, and enjoying the fragrance that was intoxicating. We spent our evening at Lakeview Wine Cellars, enjoying a wine tasting and enjoying the beautiful sunset. The next morning, as we prepared to leave, we had a brief rain shower. As we looked out of our door, we noticed this beautiful rainbow over the vineyard. What a beautiful way to say goodbye to our first destination. Back on the road!